These are KLF10's from Klipsch, paired up to a B&K AVR 307. It's my Athena F2s, there and there. Very beautiful speakers. So I got these Klipsch KLF10's, and I played them and they're making a noise, as you can hear. Sounds like the voice coil is falling apart. This one's also kind of doing it. Not as much though. Hear it? Very little. These are the K1056Ks. That's the part number right under it. These are the tweeters that go with it. K100K. Speakers were made in 1997, and here is the cabinet. I took all the foam out of it here at the shop. So yeah, my issue is oh, there's a crossover, a lot of dirty spider webs and stuff. The issue that I'm having is these speakers. If you see right here, let's see if I can show you. Trying to focus it. The whole face has detached from the right side of the cabinet. This side is fine, but the whole face has detached. See if I could probably try to show it. So yeah, I'm gonna need to try to reattach that somehow. The green and the black go to the tweeter, and these two go to the two woofers. This is the crossover. There's the bass port in the back. So yeah, this is a pretty cool little setup at work. These are all the records we have. About 3 cases. This one from Henry Mancini. These are some Yamo speakers, very nice. Drum set in the back. Yep, but that's what I'm doing today, speaker wise. Ooh. This is my Paradigm PW2200. So then in that turntable it doesn't work. Oh yeah, this is the back of that B&K receiver. But yeah, this is my Paradigm PW2200. It's awesome. Thanks, guys.